Mr. Speaker, I'm a bit baffled with this question. Mr. Speaker, marijuana is a drug, illegal for consumption in Fiji. You can't find a perfect substitute as a crop. So I really don't know what they're asking for. So whenever you have got something which is illegal and it's a drug, the market value definitely would be very high, and you can't find an alternative crop which is for consumption to be of equivalent value. However, Mr. Speaker, I suggest that in the next session of Parliament, they rephrase the question, and then I'm happy to answer. We do follow the work that the Fiji Police Force is doing to eradicate marijuana, and we've been working with the Fiji Police Force to see how we could engage these farmers into meaningful activity which will result in them earning an income for their household, for their livelihood, as well as pursuing the national interest of a growing national income. Mr. Speaker, for example, in Kandavu, we are developing a nursery. The crops that we are looking at, which is and have demonstrated high value and also high return, both in terms of supplying the particular crop and the products developed out of this primary produce, both in local market and export market, are yangona, fresh produce, cassava and galo, ginger. And now we're also looking at turmeric. Mr. Speaker, at the moment the turmeric that we are exporting from Fiji, it's going to US. We are not able to fulfill the demand for turmeric. The turmeric that we are exporting to the US market is branded as organic, because all the turmeric that we are getting, we're harvesting, it is wildly grown. So it is basically organic turmeric, and it's fetching very high premium price. And Mr. Speaker, Ministry of Agriculture is working very closely with farmers. For example, in Kandavu, we're developing a nursery for yangona. We're establishing a nursery in Nosori. One of the state-of-the-art nursery in Nosori and another one in Cornivia. We got fund from a Canadian Development Fund, 200,000 Canadian dollars, to establish a nursery at Cornivia Research Station, basically to provide seedling at no cost to farmers. So, Mr. Speaker, we are working very closely in terms of developing nurseries throughout Fiji, so that we can provide planting material, in particular seedling, in the cases of these high-valued crops, so that we can ensure that the germination rate is 100%. So, Mr. Speaker, if Honourable Member is talking about crops that has demand in local and export market, which has got high value, high return, and also we can develop products out of this primary produce. For example, kava pails, a product out of kava. There are other products that we develop out of the primary produce. Mr. Speaker, if the Honourable Member had listened to my previous speeches, I said that we need to move also towards developing products for various reasons. For example, when you develop a product out of a primary produce, then the shelf life can be extended. When you have a product, you can also have no issues with transportation. When you have a product, you don't have any issue with biosecurity. When you have a product, you can fetch higher price than what the produce is fetching. For example, cassava flour from cassava produce. Cassava flour is a product. So, Mr. Speaker, we also simultaneously are looking at how we can develop numerous products which can also give us additional market. To grow the market, Mr. Speaker, we need to shift our focus also from produce to products. So, Mr. Speaker, we are doing work in this area so that we can create the market for our farmers, so that market is not an issue, and therefore limited market does not discourage them. Mr. Speaker, you talk to anyone, the single most factor that bothers a farmer is whether there is market for their produce, whether they will be able to really get their produce out when they harvest. Because with regard to primary produce, I'm telling you what we're doing. With regard to primary produce, Mr. Speaker, they're perishable in nature. So when they harvest, you need to immediately get it to the market to get it out, or move it to a processing plant to process the produce into a product. So we are working very hard on that, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. We will move on.